Alright guys, we're going to do the relay finally for this 2009 Suzuki Boulevard C50T. I'm going to show you how to put that relay in. I'm going to take this light off first and I'll take it off from there. Just want to let you know. Alright, there are 3 screws back here. I'm going to put the light on. 1, 2, 3. We're going to pull them out. Just be careful when you pull it out because there is the wire there, so we don't want to yank on that or pull that. So just give me a second, I'll pull it off and I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, I have pulled the back off here. It's a good time to get this junk cleaned out. I don't know if you can see it. I got a flashlight here. A lot of dirt back here. I'm going to clean this up here. There's a relay I have in there. I will actually take some of the electrical tape off and show you how I wired it and how I secured it. And we'll go from there. Alright guys, pulled it off here. I'll get the flashlight out. There you go, we're going to clean this up here. So I have it off. I've already done it already, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tape off. And like I said, it's a good time to clean it back here. It's a little dirty. I'm going to get this tape off and I'll show you what wire goes to which. Remember, this is a 2009 Boulevard, so you might want to check your owner's manual or wiring diagram for your year. I know it's changed. I think there are 3 flavors of Boulevard. There's the 2005, 2006, 2002, 2008, and then there's the 09, which is special, and then you have a bike like my wife's, which is a 2011, and it's completely different. So just a lot of stuff's the same on these bikes, but there are some electrical issues that are different. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the light pulled off. Actually, it's better if you actually pull it off. Just there's a little tab back here. Just push it in, pull it off. Get your light. There's your light right here. Just pulled it off. I'll put it right there. And so this relay has an in and out. It is labeled on here. So that's the relay. So there are 2 wires you want to hook this up to. You're going to leave the gray one alone. So follow my advice. Do not mess with the gray one. If right here. So you have 2 wires here. You have a black with a white stripe and a white with a black stripe, so it doesn't focus. So your black with a white stripe goes to your ground, your black wires. And your white with a black stripe is your red wires. And it's on both ends. So as you see, red, white with a black stripe, and then you have your black, and it goes up here. It's actually easier to see here. Your black one goes to your black and white stripe. So that's how you fuse them together. I solder. I don't like using these if I can avoid it. I just ran out of soldering. So these work in a pinch. So far it's been here for about I posted the first video up about 8 months ago, and I've ridden about 1,000 miles, if not more. I don't really recollect how many miles I put on this year. But yeah, that's how I wired it, and I will put a link in the description on how to purchase it. So yeah, so the in goes from the bike to the controller, and the out goes from the controller to the plug. So it makes that easier. Alright guys, I want to wrap this up and I will show you the effects at the end. Alright.